Hello everybody, Joel here. So in the last video I showed how to fish a new ceiling fan mount box into a finished bedroom, into my daughter's new room. This is her old room, and now I need to take that fan down and relocate it to her new room. So we'll go ahead and get started on this little project. You can see underneath there is an LED light. This fan's probably about 3 years old, but it's got an integral LED built into it. I suppose if it ever goes bad, I'm gonna have to change the whole thing out, but it's been working really well so far. So it looks like I have to take the housing down, the light housing down, to get to the screws on the blades. But I think I can do it without having to take the blades off. It's just gonna save a lot of monkey business. So I'll go ahead and try to get this down without having to take that off. And there we have it. You can see the marks from where the old light fixture was before. This box was mounted in a little bit crooked back during the rough-in stage. I don't know what happened there. But I'm going to be putting a new fixture back up over it. This is going to become my wife's craft room. And I've got a 2x4 LED light that I'm going to put right on here. But before that, we've got to paint the ceiling. So now I'm ready to go ahead and move this on over to the new room. So just a quick look up here at the fan bracket. There's a ground wire that gets looped around the ground screw on the box. There's a ground tail that hangs off of the fan mount bracket that screws right to the box. So you can see that's what we've got there. And then I've got the black, the red, and the white all stripped and ready to go. So next shot, I will move the fan over here. It's a little tricky holding on to the fan. It's nice when you've got the ones that hang off of the extension rod, because you can pop those right into the hole and then wire everything up. But it's not always as easy. Some of these have a hook on them that you can hook the canopy onto to make it a little easier for wiring. But I'll see what I can do. I'll probably struggle, but we'll get her up here. One thing I've never tried before, because I don't usually move these ceiling fans with the blades on them, is fashioning a hook out of a coat hanger. You could use could easily use a piece of copper wire or something like that. But that's just a simple coat hanger. We'll use that and we'll hook it around the bracket and hook one of these in the mounting holes and see if we can't get it held up like that. Here you can have a look at the little coat hanger hook. It's just hanging right on the bracket, right up here. And it's just through one of the mounting holes on the side of the canopy of the fan. And that really held it up there nice, so it'd give me a chance to work on getting those wires spliced in. Now I'll get those tucked in and mount the canopy up to the bracket. Okay, those screws are all tight up on top, and the canopy is nice and tight and square to the ceiling. So it looks good. Let's get this light mounted up here. Okay, now we'll get this globe mounted on here. Okay, globe is on. Let's see if we've got, oh yeah. Very nice. My daughter is one who can't sleep very well without a fan running, so she spent last night in here with no ceiling fan. So we just got everything moved in yesterday. And so this is a good thing. We also put new recessed trims in here. If you see our last video where I was doing the fishing of the wire for this, you'll see that they were just regular rings with bulbs that were flush with the ceiling. Went ahead with the baffles. I think they look a lot nicer with the halogen lamps. But here you go. Also, I'm going to see if I can get the LED lights to work in here. So my daughter got a string of LED lights from a friend for her birthday a couple years ago, and we put them in her old bedroom. We just kind of tacked them onto the wall over her bed, and it looked kind of cool for her. She really liked them. So this time, my wife found some LEDs online, and it's just a strip of them, and you tape them up to the right up to the ceiling. Well, we decided to tape them up to the ceiling line. We've got to hide the wires a little bit and do a couple of different things, but boy, they really turned out nice. Really makes this room pop for her anyway. She's 14 and she's into this type of stuff, so let's see what other colors we can do. There's green, red, white. I think that's pretty nifty. Well, anyway, thank you for watching. This will end this video of moving the ceiling fan from one room to the other room. Pretty simple project. But thank you for watching. Hit the like and subscribe, and we will see you all on the next video.